Hello, crafty people. This is Trish at Creativemind Creations, and I'd like to thank you all for watching and subscribing my channel. And also, I would like to show you today the last week of my crafty kit collaboration that everything had going on my channel with other ladies and my Facebook group on Crafty Manipulators. And this week, which is again is our last week, where we had to do bag toppers. Okay, now this was fairly simple as well. It had to be at least 4 inches to no bigger than 5.5 inches wide. Okay, and you know, right across the bag, the top of the package, and it had to have at least 2 layers of cardstock or 110-pound weight cardstock or whatever you use, and 3 embellishments on the front. So this is what I came up with, and I almost did follow my rules, guys, because I went through my papers. I want to do something different. I want to do something, you know, out of the box, and plus I'm also trying to use up my paper stuff that I got here, scraps and things like that. So I had decided on this paper here. It is so cute. It is from this stack from the Paper Studio, Measure, Mix, and Stir, and it's a kind of like a cooking paper stack, but I like the wood grain color, so I use that. So I kind of like do like a rustic theme. So I use this paper. And so I did make my bag toppers 4 4.25, and didn't really matter which what the width was, but it had to be at least 4 inches wide, but no bigger than 5.5. So actually mine is 4.25 across, and then I think let me measure. I forget. Yeah, 4.25 by, and I cut some off. It was by 3.5. So I used the punch on the edge, and I used this Martha Stewart punch, and I did a decorative edge here, which is what you see here. I like it. I wanted something simple, but you know, something that'll kind of go with the chip paint on here. So these are my 4 bases that I cut, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now guys, battery died. Okay, so the part where I did almost follow my own rules is that this cardstock is I don't even think it's quite 65-pound weight, but it did have a linen texture to it. I don't know if you can see it, but so what I had to do is that I had to get some more 65-pound paint white cardstock, and I just cut, you know, because the way I folded it, when I fold it in half, it doesn't go all the way down anyway. And I don't want to cover the circles that I punched, or the holes that I punched, so I just cut some paper, some 65-pound weight cardstock, and I put that on there so I make it thicker, so it is good and sturdy now. So yeah, that's what I had to do there to correct that. And then the flowers, the sunflowers that I got, I think I got these from Tiffany, because one of her favorite flowers is sunflowers, and I got these in a swap from her. So also what I'm trying to do is use up my embellishments. I got 2 embellishment drawers over here that I've gotten from swaps from other crafters. So again, I wanted to pick something that I thought would go good with this paper. So I thought the sunflowers would be cute, and then I thought about it after I put these on here that I could have used the ones that I bought from Dollar Tree. But again, I'm trying to use old stuff that I've had. So, well, not old, but you know, I'm still gonna be doing swaps, and my drawer is full over here, both of them. I don't have to make another drawer for my embellishments that I get for other crafts. But anyway, I digress. So that was one of the embellishments that I used, and then I used to my word beads that I got from Michael's, and this trim I think I got from Dollar Tree, and I put that on there. And then I went and that's my 3 embellishments, but I want to add something else, give a little more oomph, and so I found some of my eyelash trim that I put on there. Well, actually, this is like yarn, but that's what I'm using it for. So I put some of that on there, and I think it turned out pretty cute. Okay, so, and then this, I kind of went with, kind of stuck with the same thing on the back topper a little bit. I used the paper, and I used different bling, you know, kind of meshed the gold on the sunflower that came in there, and this kind of like rustic look with these burlap flowers that I had in my stash too. And I just used the cardstock, and I cut that in instead of the red. I don't want to completely do the same thing here. Okay, and here's my package of all the embellishment that goes on. Again, it had to be at least 3, but I added an extra one. So here's the ribbon, the flowers, and the word beads, and a little bit of ice trim that they can cut the length in there to add in there. And so that is my kit for this week. Again, we had to do bag toppers. And I really liked this. This is the first time I was seeing this kind of collaboration. It was fun. So we're gonna, like I said, I think I've said before, but we're gonna be doing this collaboration again. But we're gonna be making different items. So this is really fun. I really enjoyed this collaboration. It was different. So thanks guys for watching. Again, y'all check out the other ladies that are collaborating with me in this little. Sorry, that straight out was me. Collaboration. Their links are down below, so y'all go check them out. And thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.